This tutorial explains the tools available to you whilst editing your tour. Click on 360 View in the top toolbar. As you can see, you have buttons titled Colour, Screenshot, Add Info, Publish, Help and Close. Click on the Colour button and you'll see you have 4 different options to adjust your photo: saturation, brightness, contrast and hue. These settings will only save for that particular room, so you will need to edit each one separately. If you want to take 2D screenshots of the rooms in your property, click the Screenshot button. This will download a JPEG image of the room without any of the hotspots or information labels on it. You can therefore use this for your property portfolio. You may have edited the photo just for the 2D screenshot, so you could then press the Colour button once again and click Reset to return the image to its original colouring. The Add Info button allows you to add extra information to your virtual tour. This includes images, videos, web links, text and Google Street View.